Really working together is very important, considering as what we said, collaboration, working together, and the connectivity that we have. I think we really have one of the best destination, and it's already there. However, each of the three cities and the provinces will really have to work together for a common goal, and the connectivity has to be easy for the tourists. I think we are at an advantage because we have one of the best airports in the world. However, the connectivity from one city to another, especially the timings, to make really it's ease for the tourists, and infrastructure to work together on that, and plus of course really focusing on our the destinations that we have and selling them, and promoting local culture. That is really the key takeaway for tourists to come.